So we can tell the oil company, like all the oils price going to be the best today for the market, because all the oil refilling or system or refill service, everything is oil, or some of them is mechanic, is mining, steel, medical, and ETF as natural resources, and retail, and ETF as commodities. So or like even though home furniture and retailing is still lower than oils, like 60%. That's mean the oil gain of 7 point, and the home furniture is just gain of over 2.6 point. That's mean 1/3. The oil is like get 2/3, and another one usually get 1/3. So all the Dow Jones and Nasdaq, SPX, like SP 500 and gold is going down so much. So oil is getting up 0.78%, but compared with last week, the oil is getting up like over $7 for 1 barrel. That's really pretty high, and right now Dow Jones point just around 32.9 thousand. That's mean $1,000 billion. So Nasdaq just over 12.3 thousand, and SP 500 over 4.1 thousand. Like SP 500 over 5,000, that's normal, but under 5,000 that's not normal anymore. So anyway, I mean those points are dropping a lot. And good morning all traders again. And today August 24 to 22 on Wednesday, and it's 7 a.m. Central Time from Omaha, Nebraska, USA. In US dollars, 108. It's getting up a little bit. Energy is up and 94.7. Financial is at 1 point, not that much. So indicates is 12 point low those, but because the balance system pull the market back a little bit. But anyway, it's going to be gain for good green a little bit for today. And anyway, after that, then those oil come, like oil price just keep going up like this, and it's not stable at all. And especially it's go up is increase the inflation. So and ETF as always. And today we can focus on EEM and EFA. So those pretty good number we can tell on here, and we can focus on that one anyway. So SPY, if one share SPY is like over $400, and right now EEM just 39.76 is you can buy like one share of EEM, and when you gain $1 you can get, even though like SPY you can gain $1. And let's see, if you buy 10 share of SPY and you get like 100 share of EEM, of course 100 share when you gain $2 is more than got profits more than SPY. They gain $2, because $2 on that 10 share you just make $20, and another one you make $200 for EEM. So option area is going to be today is we're going to do the call JMIA. So 0.18, that's be the best one. Or we can make another call is EXC 0.95. Pull them down to 90, 80. So, and we make two put is 1.16 expires September 2nd, and NKLA expires September 2nd, and 0.3, 0.25, and 0.20 getting lower down, and those numbers look pretty good for the option area. So the option area is really pretty hard. It's not easy. Expect everyone have to have a technology skill. You have to be fast enough, and your brain have to calculate the numbers right, because like that make you buy them in the good deal and sell them in the right price. So the first two stock we can mess around for today is AMC and Indo. So AMC Entertainment is right now 9.7, and like now it's already jumped to 9.8 something, and it's going to back at $10 very soon. So anyway, whoever make profits for today, please sell it. But anyway, when AMC under $10, you can buy it. Everyone can buy it. So $4.9 billion. That's a half of the cap of the AMC. So anyway, 33.5 is the highest one, and 6.1 is the lowest one. And daily rotation they ran around 20 around 20-30 cents normally, but right we can see on here just like around 10 cents. It's really slow. But anyway, you can buy whatever price under 10, and you can sell 10 or 10.1. Yes, they make money all the way. You just put them in C2 and you can sell it like $15 later. So 1,000 share, you make like $5 or $6 a share. You can make $5,000-$6,000 in a few weeks. But it can be 2 weeks, or it can be 2 months. I mean, 2 months for $6,000, not that bad at all. So one of my students hold a stock like, he bought like $10 and he sold them like 24. That's been $14 for a share, and he got like 5,000 of them. So, and now we can see the live map of AMC in August 24, 2022. So when you see the red dot, yep, right there, that one on the left side is mean the stable price, right under around $19, and up there's one more, that's 21, like 25.5 around. And one more live map in Indo, and you can see on here in August 24 to 22 Indo, we don't see anything much. It got a big change on the price, but they don't have a stable spot. The stable spots, this mean the quality of the company. If you don't have that stable spot, the stable spot going to be out. Yeah, this one you don't see that much, but anyway, that's mean the price of this stock is like a struggle winging around and not stable at all. But anyway, so they have a good and bad for left side and right side always. So right now is around 10.8 or $10, whatever. Yeah, you can get them down to $9. But prepare the last option is going to $6, because the cap right now is just $106 million. This company got a cap like over $400 million right now. Like they over 70% drop on the cap, and that's been. This is a big trap for everyone, even though the order is going up. But anyway, the cap is the heart of the company. You cannot run anywhere with the stock company without a cap, and the cap is the number when you expect is going to buy it or not. If people say this going to be not stable and a little too small cap for them to buy, honestly, my student and all big investor going to buy the big caps. I mean, the cap had to be $1 billion, and right now it's just 106. It's not look very good at all. So anyway, 96.9, almost 97, 87, 86.9 99, that's the highest one, and 2.6 is the lowest one, and one right around 6.70 cents. That's daily rotation. It's not that bad. So thank you very much. Have a good day, and see you tomorrow.